Hi, hello, my name is Jade and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today, I don't even know. It's Thursday. I need to work out. I'm editing the hair extension video right now. I need to dry them and put them in so I can post that video. And I have to finish making, the book. And yeah, I need to figure out another gift. Look at all our boxes. But yeah. So nothing too crazy today. I didn't vlog much yesterday and I'm sorry. I don't vlog too much when it's the same stuff that I've done in like past vlogs. So I'm sorry if that's kind of boring, like if this is boring to you guys. We're doing all of this really slow. Like, do you guys actually want to watch me unpack every single box? Because I'll show you. I don't care. But I just don't know if that's something that you guys are interested in seeing. But yeah. I have to get that hair extension video up. They are not paying me. I put that in the video. Like, it's not sponsored. They just sent it to me. So they keep bugging me. They're like, hey, are you gonna post it? I was like, yes, I am. I promise. It's coming. But I have to post the long version and then I have to post a shorts. So I have to dry them. They need to be dried. Okay, we did our workout for today and I'm exhausted. I feel very sad today. I have a lot of like upset emotions going on, so that's kind of hard for today. I don't really know why, but I just am sad. I don't like the way that I look. I'm having a hard time getting a job. I'm just overwhelmed, so I feel very depressed. So I'm sorry if today's vlog is just less than normal, but I'm having a rough day. But I got my workout done. Now I need to make the video with my extensions, but I'm gonna give myself some time to relax because I'm exhausted. And don't expect to see me in a tank top like ever again. This is just because I got done with the workout and I needed to vlog and talk. So I'm gonna relax for a little bit and then I'll come back with a normal shirt on.